Hello Dnation and welcome back. Well, I know it's been a while, but I'm back with tons of interesting and one-of-a-kind diecast episodes. So let's kickstart 2021 with the unboxing of the Royal Enfield 112 scale Classic 350 Redditch Red Variant manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, I'm really glad to be back and kickstart 2021 by unboxing the Royal Enfield's Classic 350, which is a 112 scale diecast replica manufactured by Maisto. Well, for a little bit of information on this particular diecast model, there were three variants, which is the Ash, the Gunmetal Grey and the Redditch Red, which was released by Royal Enfield in 2019. But for some odd reason, I couldn't get my hands on this particular diecast model, and I'm glad I finally got my hands on it to add it to the wonderful collection of my Royal Enfield 112 scale diecast replicas. So before we go and unbox this beauty, let's go ahead and take a look at the boxing. Well, this is a window type boxing with the official Royal Enfield logo up front and on the top as well. And on the left side, you can see the 112 scale and the model of this particular replica, which is the Classic 350, and the color, which is Redditch Red, which is manufactured by Maisto. A little bit of information on the left and the right as well, and at the bottom. So if in case you want to go through it, kindly pause and take a read. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this beauty. So here we go. So here we are, and this Royal Enfield Classic diecast model looks quite amazing and has a good build quality to it, and also has quite a bit of intricate details which makes it look exactly like its real life counterpart, which thrills me to the core. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it an amazing looking replica. Well, just for information, this particular model measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width, which makes it a 112 scale diecast replica, and this weighs in approximately at about 130 grams. Well, this model also comes with the Royal Enfield trademark paint job with its signature branding details, and this model also has free rolling wheels, which makes it functional, and a kickstand just in case you want to display it. Well, as you can see, it comes with a little bit of suspension on the rear, but pretty rigid in the front. But overall, I really love the way they built this diecast model, and there's a total thumbs up from me. Well, as I mentioned earlier, this particular diecast model came in three variants, which is the Ash variant, as well as the Gunmetal variant, and now I finally have the Redditch Red variant. Well, with this particular diecast model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector, hobbyist. Especially if you're a Royal Enfield enthusiast, this is a definite must-have. So let's put this diecast replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its suspension. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this beautiful 112 scale diecast Royal Enfield Classic 350 model in the description below. So here we go. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect, just as beautiful and highly detailed exterior, and I'm really happy and content with this ride. So with that being said, let's place these amazing Royal Enfield Classic 350 replicas on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beautiful diecast models in a 360-degree view. And just in case you want to know, I've done unboxings on the classic 350 Ash and on the classic 350 gunmetal variation. I'll drop the links in the description below, so go check it out and let me know what you think. And here are a few fun facts. Royal Enfield Classic 350 and Classic 500 are models of Royal Enfield motorcycles which have been in production since 2009. Both the Classic 350 and the Classic 500 feature the new unit construction engine in their 350cc and 500cc variants respectively. Both of these models are more expensive and targeted at a market segment above the Royal Enfield Bullet 350 and the Bullet 500. Both the Classic 350 and the Classic 500 come in a variety of color options. In 2017, Royal Enfield equipped Classic 500 models with Euro 4 compliance, which includes ABS brakes for front and rear and better emission control system. In 2018, Royal Enfield released Classic 350 models with ABS in some markets. And for further information on Royal Enfield Classic, kindly find the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Royal Enfield motorcycle replicas, I drop the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these amazing classic RE replicas are your favorite. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my D-Nation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. Well, on another note, I noticed that many of D-Nation's viewers are not subscribed to our channel, so I take this opportunity to welcome you to our D-Nation family. So kindly continue to support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And this brings us to the end of this Royal Enfield Classic 350 episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.